Yi S7 was unveiled at the Guangzhou Auto Show, and the first model of Dongfeng's Yi brand will be launched in the first quarter of 2025. As the first model of the Yi brand, Dongfeng has given Yi S7 three pure electric features: pure electric W architecture, smart and comfortable cockpit, and Honda's world's first new energy factory production. Dongfeng said that it stands from the perspective of Chinese users and targets new energy users. The expectation of automobile manufacturing brands is to provide users with a better car experience with new brands, new technologies, new structures and new products. Yi S7 chooses futuristic and aggressive as the main theme of the design. The aggressive front face also creates a clear and sharp visual effect. Personality and energy. In addition, the wheelbase ratio of Yi S7 is 61.7%, providing more space inside the car. The futuristic new H-lamp body and 21-inch large sports wheels also reveal the beauty of passion and vitality. Yi S7 has many first-of-its-kind technologies and functions for Dongfeng electric vehicle products. For example, it is equipped with Honda's dual-motor four-wheel drive system to achieve a 50-50 front-rear weight ratio, which officials say is the first time this has been achieved in an electric car. For another example, Dongfeng uses a front double wishbone rear 5-link four-wheel drive suspension to give the vehicle a better control experience. Yi S7 also uses Honda's latest ADS adaptive damping system and body control technology to effectively filter bumps, reduce roll, greatly improve slope suppression capabilities, and prevent motion sickness driving experience. In addition, Yi S7 also features FOD personalized driving mode, which can provide users with a richer and more customizable driving experience. In terms of intelligent driving assistance, Yi S7 is equipped with L2 Plus Intelligent Driving Assistance System, Honda Sensing 360 Plus, and also has a remote control parking function to better serve the driver. It uses Honda Connect 4.0 Intelligent Steering Interconnection System and electronic exterior mirrors. Provide driving assistance. In the smart cockpit, Yi S7 is equipped with a smart light language system to give users a more personal expression, true to Honda's new concept, with heat insulation and sun protection, and a dimmable panoramic sunshade and multi-level adjustment to adapt